Stock trade setups wants to know why Omex is trading lower than TMC. And I had to tell him, because Gerard's hot. Because Gerard is hot. And Gerard's always at the White House. Gerard's always doing things. But wait, it's definitely more than just Gerard being hot. He mentions the thing about the float, but see, okay, well, TMC, they do have approximately 400 million outstanding. Not explicitly stated. I put in their financials. So that, but see, they have these equity raises from Korea Zinc, other ones. And he is right. They do 20 million, but market cap 79. And I might say here, TMC, no revenue, people, none. And Omex does. So they get their revenue a little bit. It doesn't, they're not profit there. And they can do these shipwreck recoveries, which is kind of cool. But like almost everything in the stock market, you could say it's about potential. And Gerard's going to have polymetallic nodules that are going to be for batteries. And there's going to be the revenue, $600 per dry ton, implying 3 to 4 billion annually scale. Dude, that's pretty much crazy. And the key drivers, he has the Korea Zinc investment, NOA permit application, ISA exploration application, U.S. policy support, 2 million nodule refining feasibility. Dude, and these are going to be all the ones that Gerard's invested in or has investment from. And they didn't even want anything, 37 million. So I feel like Gerard, he has a lot going. But guess what? I was looking at Omex. Okay, and now I deleted the last video because I didn't include this. Vince has a new group dedicated to Omex. And if they can find that Cook Island partnership, this project, Cook Island's polymetallic nodule exploration program, and we already know that that area does have it. Isn't this where, wait, Gerard does too. So this is the area. And if Omex can get in, they are actively invested and provide services to licensed holders supporting their exploration efforts and contributing key milestones. I wonder if they're going to end up helping Gerard with this because I don't know. Omex is definitely promising on, especially, I was going to say the phosphate and the other shit. Who cares about that? Yeah, because they had these phosphate, I guess, but that is profitable too. But see, I think the real money or the real hype, you could say this is both their exploration. Neither company makes money. So you would ask yourself, why is one price higher? I would say it's about the possibility of the nodules, the polymetallic nodules. So Omex could definitely be a rising play, that is for sure. But also keep in mind, definitely a risk. And you have to have faith in CEO, who is not as attractive as Gerard. But I still think all this sea module shit. But Omex's stake in these things is also the 7%, the 14%. But you could say the stuff that Omex has set up, where they're going down and finding ships and whatnot, their technology and their infrastructure, whatever they're using, could definitely play a role in all this sea mineral mining. So I think, and they're both on TMC and Omex, both have deals with the Cook Islands, which is nice. I bet they're doing nice things. So TMC versus Omex, I don't know. I got money on both.